Let's play a game. Let's call some people to evaluate which of these is the softest. But there's a trick. They have to do it blindfolded. Ishita, here.
Hi. I'm a bit confused between these two.
Okay. Hello, my name is Zuili and I'm a hair care formulation scientist at Plum. I'm quite intrigued by the science and chemistry that goes behind crafting different kinds of cosmetic products, be it hair care, skin care, or personal care. Today, I'm here to talk about softness, hair softness particularly. So, let's understand what makes a hair softer on one day and dull, dry, and frizzy on the other day. There has to be something associated with chemistry. Indeed, it is. Two important factors that need to be taken care of when talking about softness. The first ones being lipids and the second being proteins. Lipids, specifically saturated fatty acids, are quite important for the overall nourishment and good health of your hair. You remember the chumpy that our mothers and grandmothers used to make us do? The chumpy with the coconut oil? Well, specifically, coconut oil is quite rich in saturated fatty acids, and that is why overnight massage with this oil used to provide a lot of nourishment and a lot of softness conditioning to your hair. Coconut milk is one such ingredient which also has a lot of saturated fatty acids, specifically lauric acid. This magical ingredient conditions and nourishes our hair from within. So adding this ingredient to a rinse off product like a shampoo will work wonders for the hair. Now let's talk about the second part, which are proteins. Imagine a house which is made up of walls. The walls are made up of bricks, which in turn are made up of mud. Likewise, hair is the house, which is made up of proteins, which are the walls. Proteins in turns are made up of peptides, which are the bricks, and peptides are made up of amino acids, which is the mud. So, for a stronger house, the better the quality of the mud, the richer is the brick and the stronger is the wall, which leads to a happy and healthy house. Likewise, the better the quality of the amino acid, the richer is the peptide, the stronger the protein and the happier and healthier the hair. So how can we provide this nourishment to the hair? We need a lot of proteins and peptides for healthy, softer, smoother, richer, nourished hair. P-peptide is one such peptide which has around 20 times more concentration of amino acids. Specifically using this peptide in rinse-off products like shampoos will work wonders for your hair. This P-peptide with a lot of added benefits is actually not uncommon. It is regularly being used in food products such as your protein powders. Go check it out if you don't believe me. I'm not joking. A unique blend of ingredients such as pea peptide and coconut milk will provide you with good, soft, nourished, and healthy hair. Come, let us understand how hair softness varies with different shampoo brands. We are dipping the tress in shampoo solution A and we are going to wash it thoroughly, generating a nice lather from top to bottom. Then we rinse it with water. And now we allow the tress to air dry completely. We'll do a similar test for the other two brands as well. And then we rinse it with water. Drain the excess and allow it to air dry. Let's do a similar test for Plum shampoo. Now we rinse it with water and allow it to air dry completely. Now that these hair tresses have dried completely, let's play a game. Let's call some people to evaluate which of these is the softest. But there's a trick. They have to do it blindfolded. Let's get started. Ishita? Ishita, here.
Hi.
Come, let's evaluate the hair tresses. Let me help you out.
This is soft.
Okay.
Nice, soft.
Can we evaluate the other tress?
This is soft, but could be better.
How about this one? Over here, Ishita. So, Ishita, tell me, which of these tresses is softer?
I'm a bit confused between these two.
Okay.
But this one?
Okay. Let's check this out.
This Plum?
Yes. Thank you,
Nice.
Ishita. This is the stand.
Okay.
Yes. These are the tresses. Come, let me help you. Let's evaluate them one by one.
One by one. Okay.
Yes, yes. I'll hold this for you.
Thank you.
Okay. Can we check the other?
They're not actual people.
So what do you feel, Mohit?
I think this one is the softest.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's check it out.
Can I see?
Yes, please.
Oh,
Thank you so much, Mohit.
thank you.
Before the next person arrives, let me just shuffle the hair tresses once. Let's see. Come, Jishan, come.
Hi.
Let me help you out. Yeah, yeah. So this is the stand. These are your tresses. You can feel them one by one. Let me hold this for you. You can check the others as well. Let me help you. Yes, Jishan, please tell us. What do you feel about the tresses?
I like the second one.
The second one? Okay, let's check it out. Would you like to see, Jishan? It's plum. Yes, thank you so much. So we all know who the clear winner is. It's Plum Coconut Milk and Peptides Shampoo. Don't believe it? Go try it for yourself.